So I want to find out from your side, where did you buy those things? Where did you get them?
But it's not me who bought it.
All of you, but then who bought them?
I think that the guy was.
Who's the owner? So you the one who went to the shop right and buy other stuff for them?
Yeah.
How much did you spend?
They spent like almost 2,000.
Who told you to buy? The community, not the school.
No, it's a community.
Ngathi community ngathi niyasidelezela ngathi anisitshela amaqiniso.
Sondelani.
Cela unandi ukhombisa community ukuthi njengoba bathi yibo abathi nithe bayothenga lama rice. So bathi nina as a community yibo enibatshelile ukuthi bahambe bayothenga lokudla iqiniso kangakanani?
Why has a mention people buying?
My friend, we are not here to play. So let's not jigga. Who told you to go and buy things? And we just want the truth. Who told you to go and buy?
Because you know there is they say let's solve these things because of they say but that guy they bought it from I think for someone.
Whose guy?
They had
Bring happy here. So, you're the boss here. You know that, let me just correct you here. So, when you sell food with the barcode, right? So that people they can see that if the food they have expired or not. Okay? So now when you buy those things and then you use the big deal, you put, you see that one is gonna give us a problem.
yeah.
So now you are saying that you went to school and buy those things. So my question is still remain. Who told you to buy? Is the principal or is the community, or you just decided to go and buy to replace those food or just to clean your name?
No, you know what is happened at that time.
Yeah.
The time because of this, they say what is the solution, what. They are asking another some people. They say, so if this is already happened, just pay at the office the 1,000 rand. The office, the community office, they pay 1,000 rand. And after that, he said you must buy those things what they those things. So they just give the people. You go with the people to buy the shop right, but you not ask to buy. I go with community. Yes.
No, it's fine, I understand. I want you to tell me, is the principal responsible? Have you ever spoke to principal? Do you have the contact for principal? Who delivered those foods at school?
Delivery with some other people because of I don't know the people around. They go with the, yeah. I go with
Community, please,
I
ngicela
bought it
ningasifeyili because of manje thina manje sesize la ngoba sifuna ukuthola ukuthi manje sesilwa no principal ukuthi principal awuye ovumelela abantu ukuthi bathenge ukudla ngisho manje lo muntu uyachaza ukuthi ukudla uthume i-community imcelile ukuthi thenga lokho waze wakhipha nokuthize kusho ukuthi bebafuna ukulungiswa ngamanye amagama bayazisola ngento abayenzile. So ngicabanga ukuthi lento ikhulumo yabo is clear. By just doing so kuyomela ukuthi sibanikeze a strong warning ne ukuthi njengoba bashile because you know my friend, we have a serious problem here in South Africa. We sometimes our kids are dying because of the food that you are selling. So we don't want to go there. But once you buy those pins and then you sell using a container cup just to sell, you see, it gives us another mind that you want to kill the community, which we are not going to allow such things, okay? So what I'm asking you is to apologize to the community before we can go. And then the problem is that you do not have to buy any food from the street. It's the community.
I agree. Yeah.
You can apologize to the community. I'm not the community. I don't know. You can tell the community.
Sorry, my people, community. Because of that thing, but this is wrong the way. It's a big wrong. That's why I ask apologize. I'm so sorry.
So yeah, uthi uyaxolisa bakwethu umuntu makaxolisa and then bekotenza ukulungiswa hayi thina vele isikhathini esiningi vele siyakwazi ukuthi sisolve sibone ukuthi isolvekile my lento esizontshela yona this matter it's going to the provincial level njengoba isikolo ne-circuit angisho i-circuit manager uthize akazi next.
Yes.
So ngamanye amagama if angisho ukuthi abantu ovala isikolo sisho ukuthi after thina sizoyithatha sise to the provincial level then kube yibo abayibonako lento babathinte lento ekwazi ukuthi ilungiseke ngoba inkinga benhlangabezana nazo siyokwenza ukuthi nalabo abacabanga ukwenza ubugebengu or obekade babenza kuyosikinyeka kuyokustopa yonke lento njengoba nisibizile thina ngicabanga ukuthi bezwile my friend bacolisile isikolo sine policy yabo asikwazi ukuthi singakhuluma no principal but ukwazile ukuthi asiphendule without ama camera washo ukuthi nizoba no meeting angisho labo beningekho bathi nizoba no meeting nge-10 so nge-10 isobe sila.
Okay, thank you.
Re mo file di-issues tse 6 tša rena tše e leng gore a di tshware pele mara mo invitationeng ya gage a di nouta
We know this one.
so gone bale yena o re bitsa ka mabaka a gage mola le gore rile re mo kgopela go meeta le SGB ya gago a re yena o berekisa schedule so schedule ya ge e tla re botsa or ke 2 weeks or ke 3 weeks o tla re fetola so ka mogo a re underminang ka gone a re fetole bile o fa bana ba rena mangwalwana gore wa re nyaka sekolong ebile se ka mathata a rena ile ya ge re isa ka budget ka ra re tshwenya ke budget re tshwenya ke mathata a bana so bale be re naganne gore ge le gore a ke re go nwa le batho ba ba rena ba tlile so re naganne gore Sunday tle re ye meeting ga re balla agenda ya gage a re approve ra mmotsa re a re nyaketse o re nyaka tšena lang kwa batswadi motho ba tlo le go jala ka rena ora re mmotse re a re nyake se re nyaka
yaanong ge e le ka mokgwa a tlhalosang ka gona ge e le gore ga ba approve di-questions tsa lena sekolo se a tsalelwa kere eno ba ka mokgwa
yes